JA Inspire is not a career fair. It's a career exploration event where we had 3,000 8th graders from 6 counties on the Eastern Shore to truly experience all of the jobs that exist here on the shore.
So far, my favorite booth probably will be aeronautics. Normal people like us usually don't get opportunities to work on something that would go out into space. It makes you feel proud because you build something and you send it out into space.
It's a great hands-on experience for the children. So many times they're taking places where don't touch this, don't touch that. Here they're allowed to touch.
My favorite booth has been Splash Mountain. His advice that he gave to me today really boosted my mind, and that nothing was impossible. I could do anything I put my mind to.
At JA Inspire, you will love this. You will love this.